This one is for the party people. There is a pole over there. There's a TV that you can do karaoke with. If you scroll over to the other side, you've got the DJ booth, and that is actually a DJ booth. As you can tell, this is definitely a unique layout. It's very funky, very fun, very Asheville, and fully designed for the ladies. And we're going to bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 has its own funky, fresh vibes. Coming in, you're gonna notice all that up there, and we'll get in there. But first, you have another patio. You have your own bathroom, and whoever else is sharing the room with you, because this is made to maximize design space. Now this thing, like I said, fully furnished. So everything you're seeing is coming with the house, right? It is turnkey for an investment, ready to go. All right, I am out here in Asheville, North Carolina today. Got some amazing views with where you're at, but we're gonna be taking a look at this house behind me. We're looking at a 4-story, 4-bed, 5-bath townhouse, specifically designed for the ladies. This is an Airbnb currently, and it's being sold as is, all fully furnished, and there's some really cool features in there. So whether you're an investor looking for your next opportunity here in Asheville, this is one you wanna check out, or if you just want to see some funky designs and some cool outlines, this is a spot for you too. Let's go take a look. In case you don't already know, I'm Dylan Slattery. I'm your Western North Carolina realtor. I actually grew up in these mountains, and I make these videos regularly to share them with you. I don't just do home tours, I also do information about all of the towns Western North Carolina. From Brevard to Mars Hill, from Weaverville to Black Mountain, we cover everything. So be the first to know when we have more information coming out. Like, subscribe, follow along. I'm sure there's a button showing up somewhere around my head. Go ahead and click it and be the first to know when we have more information coming out. So all of this on all of the walls, and you'll notice everything is hand painted. Well, most things. There's a couple of rooms that have some wallpaper, but for the most part, hand painted. This one is for the party people. There is a pole over there. Come on, work it down, work it down. Oh yeah, oh look, no hands. There's a TV that you can do karaoke with. If you scroll over to the other side, you've got the DJ booth, and that is actually a DJ booth. So you can go ahead and party with the ladies. Now, if you're having so many drinks in here, don't worry, because there is a bathroom right behind it. This is the first bathroom that you're gonna run into out of 5. So there is one down here, one on the second floor, 2 on the 3rd, and 1 on the 4th. Now there's also a little surprise all the way upstairs, so keep tuned. You're gonna see some cool stuff. They definitely maximize the bedroom space in here. Just fun designs all around. Take a look at that. I don't think I've ever seen a bunked king size mattress before. That is a first. All right, let us now go check out the second floor. We've also got an owner's closet right in here. Nothing too crazy in there that you'd want to see on a video unless you like boxes of toilet paper and cleaning supplies. So going on up, all of the staircases have this like cool piano theme. Again, all hand painted. And we come into the kitchen and living room. So we're gonna kind of pan around this way. Now, right out there, that is Biltmore State land. So you're not gonna have to worry about developments going up over there. You've got your poker table. That's what you're into. It's not a party without poker. Fireplace, and that is a gas fireplace that does work. Bunch of cool Asheville spots. They did a great job with decorations in here. The decor is very fun. Definitely Airbnb. Now you're probably wondering, why is it red in here? What kind of filter do I have on? It's not a filter. The ceiling just wants to know if you think it's sexy. As you can tell, this is definitely a unique layout. It's very funky, very fun, very Asheville, and fully designed for the ladies. It is for bachelorette parties. It is for ladies' weekends. It's a nice little patio right here. And it's right on the French Broad. So West Asheville, it's right down that way. Literally right across the bridge, and you are in West Asheville. Right in the River Arts, the River Arts District is right down there. West Asheville is pretty much behind us. You are in West Asheville, the outskirts. We got more of these funky stairs. Now, take a look at this too. Cool handles. Going up, not your standard wood. And we're going to bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 has its own funky, fresh vibes. Coming in, you're gonna notice all that up there. And we'll get in there. But first, you have another patio. You have your own bathroom. Well, and whoever else is sharing the room with you, because this is made to maximize design space. Plenty of wallpaper. I'm gonna highlight the wallpaper for a second. All right, so how do we get, there's one bed there. How do we get to the other ones up there? Well, you go into the closet. You still have some closet space over here with some robes. But where we're looking is up this ladder. Two more beds. Very fun. Kind of like this layout. Going back down. Take a look at that door. Each of the doors have their own paint design too, which is pretty cool. All right, into this room. I light the fan real quick because I like the fan. It looks like a propeller. Slay all day. Now this one, other than the beds and the neon sign, has the least amount of color out of the rooms in here. And you've got the bathroom. Definitely popping. Now I did take a turn on that pole downstairs because when in Rome, if you want to see that, you'll probably have to go to my Instagram. But it is online. It lives. It's there. This is such a fun spot. All right, going up to the 4th floor. We have 4th bedroom, again with the funky fresh propeller fan. The comic wall pop. Now, this one also has a double shower. So if you need to rinse off after, all right, I'll go ahead and say it. There's a hot tub upstairs on the roof, which is a cool little feature. You can go ahead and shower off up here. There's hot tub towels. And now this thing, like I said, fully furnished. So everything you're seeing is coming with the house, right? It is turnkey for an investment, ready to go. Then you step right out here. And you have a hot tub. Now, I don't know how they got it up here. My guess is a crane, because you are not low. Take a look at that view. Now the sun's gonna set right over there, right in those mountains. So you can have a beautiful sunset out here. You're not gonna have anybody coming across right there. It's gonna be nothing but field. Mountains surrounding you. Pretty private for the most part in the hot tub. You're not really gonna be seeing much. And you are right on the outskirts of West Asheville. You can actually see some of the West Asheville homes back there. Now there's no yard here, but I don't think that's really an issue with an Airbnb. People are going to be going mainly downtown or right over to the River Arts District, which is fully walkable. So that's it for the tour of this property here in Asheville, North Carolina. Obviously, it's a great investment opportunity right next to the River Arts District in West Asheville and right by downtown. If this is something you want to see in person, go ahead down in the description. You'll have all of my contact information. And every day I hear from people just like you. So whether you want to make this your next investment or move to Asheville, North Carolina, I would love to help you do that. I come out with more content regularly, not just tours of homes, but also information from Brevard to Mars Hill, from Weaverville to Black Mountain. We cover everything Western North Carolina. So go ahead, like, subscribe, follow to be the first to know when we have more information coming out. Until next time, I'm Dylan Slattery.